Yar. Yar. Uh, Yar. Oh. Or I'm in a lot of pain. Oh. Ow. Alright. Yar. What's happening? What happened? It was supposed to be a funny prank. Or oh, I didn't cause this, did I? No. No. Okay. Gotta get up and be strong. Or alright guys, the exit is over there and we gotta be fast and we don't wanna get burnt. Come on guys, come on. Yeah. Watch where you're going, you knockoff, Freddy. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, your name is Foxy, right? Yeah. Your name is. Watch where you're going next time, pal. I'm sorry. Look, we're escaping right now, and you should escape too. I am gonna escape. Don't worry about me. Yeah, you wanna join us or something? Hey, hey friends, come here, come. Oh, what's happening? I don't know. Hello. Pizza? Is there pizza? I need pizza. I need a lot of pizza. I'm the mangle. I mangle stuff. Damn. Is that Foxy? Is that you, Foxy? Yard. It is, yeah. What are you guys doing? Look, we're escaping, and you should join us. We should be pals. We should be friends. You're very laughable. No, I'm not joining you. I'm better off leaving on my own than being with you guys. Yar. Wait, why? Yeah, why? Come on. We're not evil. We're friends. We're pals. We're friendship. Yar, no. I'm sorry. I do not have trust in you knockoffs. Oh, come on. That's not. It's not time. You shouldn't call us names now. The whole establishment is burning. For Foxy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. Okay, I don't want to talk with you guys. No, come on, no. Friendship. Foxy, remember friendship. No. Pizza? Chica, please stop. We're in a dire situation right now. No pizza. Maybe pizza later, but not now. Oh, okay. Mangle. I love mangling stuff. Oh, who are you? Oh, Mangle? Foxy? You're Mangle. Well, you survived. Yes, I sure did. Anyways, Foxy, you joining us or what? Actually, I might consider it. Really? Wow! I mean, no. I mean, yes. Because Mangle is here, yar. What? Really? You're joining because of me? Yar, yes, and let's go escape together, yar. Let's go. Oh no. Wait a minute. The exit is burning. Wait, really? Oh yeah. Oh damn. Well, there's always windows. You're right, Freddy. Knockoff. No, you should just call me Freddy, okay? I'm a Freddy too, man. I'm a bear. I'm Freddy Face Bear. Whatever, Freddy. Alright, let's leave and don't get burned. Don't get burned. I'm sure he's fine. No. Burned myself. Foxy, wait for me! My friend, my pal! Arr. Come on, Chica, we gotta leave. Pizza later, promise. You promise? I sure do. Come on, let's go. Yay, we survived! Ah! Alright, now what? Well, don't you have a plan or something? Well, no, I have no brain cells. Wait, huh? Well, haha, yes. We're not really programmed to go outside. You're kidding me, right? No, everything I say is true. Oh wait, yeah, I'm not programmed to be outside, am I? Uh, uh, uh,